Hello, welcome to Indrani's Kitchen, and today I'm going to show you a very popular vegetarian combo, veg hakka noodles with veg Manchurian balls, which is popular among all the age groups here, and it's an Indo-Chinese recipe which is relished in all parts of India. I have used the Ching's Hakka noodles pack here to make the noodles. In Kolkata, we use a finer version of these noodles called chow mein, popular from Kolkata's own Chinatown and Tehri Bazaar, where the Chinese migrants settled as early as 1780s. Let's now discuss the ingredients for the veg Manchurian. Veg Manchurian balls will require grated vegetables like cabbage, carrots, spring onions, and we add grated ginger, garlic, spring onions, chopped green chilies, and all you mix together. We add a little bit of soy sauce, around 1 tablespoon of soy sauce. Mix everything together. Mix it with your hand, and then you add the binding flours like corn flour, mix them together unless and until they kind of bind together to form small balls. Make small balls out of this mixture, and we need to deep fry these small balls. To fry these balls, we heat the oil on medium heat and fry these balls in batches. Flip them and toss them in oil unless and until they are cooked uniformly on all the sides, and they will be crispy outside. And because it's grated vegetables, it does not take so much time to cook. Once they are fried, you can take them out. Like this, fry the other batches as well. Fry them in medium heat so that, and continue to stir them under supervision so that they don't burn. Once they are all frying done, we are now ready to make the sauce for the Manchurian. To make the gravy for the Manchurian, we heat oil and fry onions, followed by capsicum, chopped garlic, add green chilies, chopped green chilies, followed by soy sauce, tomato ketchup, red chili sauce, little bit of red chili powder, grated ginger. Once these are cooked, add little bit of water followed by corn flour slurry. Once the gravy thickens, you can start adding the Manchurian balls and just salt them in the gravy for some times, not to overcook. Taste the salt and sugar, and your veg Manchurian is ready to serve. how to make veg hakka noodles. For this you take 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil and heat it, and then you add garlic, onions and your choice of vegetables, julienne the carrots and cabbages, all on high heat. You can add 1 teaspoon of soy sauce and add the boiled noodles and toss them. Toss and mix, add salt and mix them again and toss them nicely so that the vegetables and the flavors mix with the noodles, and some of the noodles are fried crispy. Then we can serve these noodles with our veg Manchurian gravy. Garnish with spring onions and green chilies. I hope you liked the video, friends. For more such videos, you can subscribe to IndraniWillTeach.com and do like and subscribe my channel, Indrani's Kitchen. Thank you for watching. Stay safe.